you're talking to your kids or you're looking at children your health, and the question is, who do you trust to actually disclose, whether it's crying, screaming, vetting, getting advice, who do they trust? One of the concerns is that no one fills that space, and then the child essentially internalizes and deals with everything.
They go in, they come out. If they get it, they get it. They don't go well, but nobody's really feeding them what they need to be resilient.
So the company we keep is extremely important. I currently work in the Military Resource Center at Regent, and one of our goals is to in fact let people know about opportunities available.
You're either coming out of a fight, you're in a fight, or you're going into a fight. And it doesn't have to be a physical fight. It can be something that's going on in your home, a disagreement between you and your spouse, your kids, your work. The problem with that is some men decided to stop fighting.
There was this chaplain that on Sundays would take me home, he and his wife, and cook a good meal, and that was helpful. So just leveraging on relationships that can help fill gaps.
It's also a good idea to shop for a loan just like you shop for a home. So you want to choose a lender with the most competitive rates you can find.
So the first principle being curious is that you want to be an unbiased witness. If you're a biased witness, you're bringing stuff to the conversation that may or may not be true. To you it is, but to them, to your spouse it might not be.
Or anything like, I don't want to deal with whatever this is, and this is an easy out. Okay? Other times, you go to the gym, you don't want to go to the gym. But maybe you work out, you walk out, and you go, man, I feel so much better. I'm glad I did this, right? And that should tell you, like, this was an activity that you enjoyed. So you can use that question when you engage in an activity and ask yourself, like, am I falling in here, or am I somewhere else that's helping?